U.S. Army Materiel Command conducted its second war game January 25th through the 27th in the path towards releasing a 15-year modernization plan for the Army's Organic Industrial Base, or OIB.
Rather than this being a one-and-done 15-year plan, that it is repeatable and it goes through a rigorous review. So an annual review of the assumptions we made this year, are they still valid as we go into each year in the future?
The plan, expected to be complete by the end of March, will ensure the 23 depots, arsenals, and ammunition plants that make up the Army's OIB are postured to continue maintaining the Army's current equipment, while preparing now to support next-generation systems and platforms.
What really matters is whether it's a new building or an overhaul of an existing building, the buildings themselves will have to be more agile. We've got to make sure that when it comes time to purchase it, it's the right technology, and we're not buying yesterday's solution to solve tomorrow's problem.
The OIB includes more than $30 billion in facilities and infrastructure, much of which was built more than 70 years ago to produce and sustain equipment needed by the United States and allies during World War II. While some of the sites have seen incremental modernization over the years, this is the first comprehensive approach in decades.
Industry may not be able to meet the demand the Army needs. That's where the OIB comes in. We have to have that surge capability internal to the government, so in a time of crisis or conflict, we can expand rapidly.
Modernization efforts at the OIB will be tied to the Army's signature programs. For example, as the Army fields future vertical lift, the maintenance bays and other processes and facilities at Corpus Christi Army Depot must be prepared to fix and sustain the aircraft. The 15-year OIB Modernization Implementation Plan will set the course for the Army's depots, arsenals, and ammunition plants over the next 40 to 50 years.
Wherever that conflict arises, if we don't have the facilities to sustain these modernized weapon systems, we won't be able to sustain ourselves in combat.
From Army Materiel Command Public Affairs, this is Evan Boothby reporting.